the agreement of the Cabinet on May the 22nd, 2006 for construction of the rail mass transit between Rungsit, Bang Sue and Taling Chan. The total track distance of this project is approximately 41 kilometres. The Bang Sue and Taling Chan line project is under bidding process, but excluding the line between Bang Sue and Rungsit that will be shown in this presentation. The Minister of Transportation had assigned OTP and SRT to conduct the feasibility study of this project for submitting approval to the construction process. The project of the Red Line Mass Transit, Bang Sue Rungsit, is the development under the scope of the development of rapid mass transit in Bangkok and the vicinity. This proposes to use the Parphol Yothin Transportation Centre at Bang Sue to be the centre of transportation network of Bangkok and the surrounding areas. The commuter train is the rail system travel for supporting the passengers in the central area and the suburbs. The long-distance trains can connect to the mass transit railway systems via the commuter train services. The area inside the Bang Sue station is around 220,000 square metres, with 16 platforms, and the area outside is around 230,000 square metres. This new station is modified for the better environment, facilitation, accessibility and the convenience of all passengers. Modification of the entrance hall on the western side along Ratchadamri Road was moved to the new corridor on the eastern side that has a more beautiful and luxurious surroundings. Also, it will be prepared the corridor to the Morchit to Kampang Pet Road 1 and 2 and Vipavadi Rungsit Road. This station has underground car parking for approximately 1,600 vehicles. In the initial period, the long-distance train stabling and depot is relocated from the Bang Sue eastern side to the northeast area away from the main entrance. Preparing for the arrival of the new commuter trains, there is full depot maintenance stabling facilities provided for West Line and North Line trains. At the same time, planning for the construction of the elevated tracks of approximately 1.1 kilometres to the south of the station is arranged to support train shunting around the station area. Construction is also provided to connect the network system for facilitation of passengers directly to the MRT Blue Line Chalam Ratcham Mongkon. The connecting system is designed as an elevated walkway connecting to the northeastern and north bus station Morchit 2. This station is designed for facilitation of the disabled person to the principal guidelines of universal design. The passengers from Bang Sue station can connect to the commuter train by using this transport station network to Bang Sue and Taling Chan stations. The Northern Line, Bang Sue Rungsit, has a distance of approximately 26 kilometres, including 20 kilometres of elevated structure and 6 kilometres at grade structure. The first phase will be constructed of only 8 stations, including Bang Sue, Chatuchak, Bang Ken, Tung Song Hong, Laxi, Kankiha, Dongmuang, which has a link to Dongmuang Airport facilitation of passengers, and Rungsit Station. In the next stage, 2 additional stations will be constructed at Wat Samian Nari and Lakhok. The construction of commuter train for Red Line Mass Transit Bang Sue Rungsit was also recommended to extend to Thammasat University. This is an extension of approximately 10 kilometres. This additional construction will have 3 additional stations at Klong Nung Station, Chiang Rak Station and Thammasat University Station for supporting the passengers in the surrounding areas, staff and students in Thammasat University, Bangkok University and the ASEAN Institute of Technology University. The additional passenger ridership is estimated to be approximately 50,000 persons per day. The results of the EIRR study showed 16.49% for Bang Sue Rungsit and 17.50% for the extension to Thammasat University. This can reduce the energy using about 214,940 million baht for a period over 30 years, and the passenger will use commuter train in 2012 around about 125,000 persons per day, and 7 million persons per day when the networks are completely connected later. From Hulampong to the new transportation centre in the central zone of Pahol Yothin, it is Bang Sue Grand Station. This proposes to facilitate the passengers from the Bang Sue station to the other stations on the network and to Suvarnabhumi Airport and City Air Terminal Station at Makassar. The passengers of the airport can check in their bags at this station. In the future, the Red Line Mass Transit Railway can support the passengers from Thammasat University to Domawang Airport or the Purple Line from Bang Yai to Government Centre at Nonthaburi. BTS SkyTrain and the MRT. The passengers in Pahol Yothin area will be able to travel to Bang Sue Station by using the public transportation at Morchit 2 bus station, or by using their personal car to Bang Sue Station that has an underground parking supporting approximately 1,600 vehicles. When entering to the station concourse, the passengers will have available many conveniences, including ticketing, food, shopping and banks, etc. This is the terminus station for the exchange of passengers to other routes of the network.